Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka school North Liberty High Secondary School kabadan ha Mookyrdup ha ka khatlai trik ujemang kala Rakhe ya ka jubili rupa bad ha ka jo kapor kala Pynkup Burom ru ya baro ki Khynnah ki bapa se ke exam SSLC but HSSLC arhaja apusan ha ka ni kasni layadan lang usembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba asniam halang dhar UMLA ka jawai uba wailat miki shela ka DSEO ka kong APSM udoloi ka ilaka jawai uba Puramon kenjing na lor kiwe. U principal ka school uba Richard Oria ulai thu ekajanya lenti jong ka North Liberty nadu Snem R1000 tang daki arhu prangut ki Khynnah nadu ka nursery KG but class 1 ula ai kublai yaki katto katni kireu shimet ki balalong ki kongsan hagajanya lenti jong ka school kenthop yau temen basan ten timung u raising kairangi but u fielding warjri ulai thu baha Snem R1000 khat ar ka school kalarung ha ka thup top 20 kata ha ka kerdan ka bakhan riu ha ka result SSLC jong ka embos bat nadu ute Snem hadu menta ladon khan riu ngot ki Khynnah ki bala paw ha ka result jong ka embos Menteri rang ba ka jela uba asnyo bahalang dhar ha ka jingkren ulai ro ru ya ka jingno senyang jong ka ni ka jaka pule sya ka imlang salang ula kentu ya ki samla pule bakin ya sya ha ka jing ya lenti ka jongki ban pen kan mau ba ka jing job kam dei tang na ka jing pule kadan bun ki lenti sya ka jing kraw bat ka jing nang jing start ka dei ushabi ban ple ya ki ula ong lapen po pen piang ya ka jing yalang da ki jing roi jing shat na ki Khynnah ka ne ka school
Years to be precise, since the idea of North Liberty flourished in people's eyes. My dearest friends, teachers and family, it has been a gift being in North Liberty, standing by our profound motto, Proverbs 22 verse 6. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it.
The North Liberty. We have George Stephenson BM with 90.66% secured distinction in English, Alternative English, Maths, Science and Technology.
At the very outset, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Master Richard Juria, who is the principal of this school, and the North Liberty family as a whole. And also, especially I would like to thanks to his greatest parents who are here with us in this program. Let us give them a round of applause. Because there is a saying, every success children, there is the best parent behind them. And Mayuria is the one. And Mawailan Mikichela, who is the local MLA, and very, very hard-working leaders of the districts and the state. Young and dynamic leader, thank you so much, Ma. You have been with us in this afternoon. And also, I would like to thank especially to Miss Avila K. Lingdo and the other toppers who really bring us pride as a district as a whole, and especially for the North Liberty schools, who really give us a proud to see that her name is on the top of the result. Thank you so much. God will bless you and keep it up. Because, why I say keep it up always, with the leaders, learning is never stop at all. And also thank you to all the teachers and the students, the parents, the Loi, the Rongba Ashnongs, and all the elders from the different sections of society. Malan, who is ex-president of Saint Raj, who is really one of the leaders from this district. And also, thank you so much for your great performance for all the cultural program that you have shown to us. It's really a wonderful. And thank you for all the friends from the media, both social and print media, who are here with us in this program. And also, this is a very, very important program because we know that is to celebrate a silver jubilee is not a short way, it's a very, very long way. So all the speakers who spoke before me, all of them, they have spoken in English. So it's better for me to speak in my own language because I have seen that right from corner to corner, only Penaran Joy people are here. The kublai chibon ga singi ko sang sorong do yang akau uwi ni ke yang Pynkup district yo memang program. Ne ba kan ni program yo sari pen baik lepai ke terik lo ngau principal yang piwa. Da sang thu i ngau mawai lat dem kamu ni program go kru tam kum ju yo la kwa di kwa la ha state ha district level la. Pen sang sorong kan ni skuri haduk kata penjrong gir nyi kam ngino mi khmat ki yang pi kam tam. Umam poi berkali ni kan ni skuru mi ki kon ki student ni go wan hakmat do hak result. Yeno ang kan ni skuru daw man ka tu men stem go brands. Ku kit Burom yang ai pi hak bentawar hai wi to ga education sector. Ni deman gwin ki singi go sa nam de yo penem Burom arpau sandeli Snem go dalai. What they Khynnah uma Yurian ni kau tri yang ni skuro the beauty kejing lalu ti yang untuk pensakan mu koi. Paya hai tu hai por wayu ni skur tang him form le mem. Tang manu wastat nom Khynnah Burom him form nong biang hinong. Ute to leader wo yo jangai. Leader ko wastat kim jongi no at all. Always the word yes is always in front. That it means is encourage word in the future. Keburom kum yedu melinyi ki bayi ki pa ki yang o. Man ki veterans leader yang kutu kepor ku diu jengai de you boy ka aset ke monument ya ka di district. Hai tu porum jom kenu kam keni ke jai ubo. Man chwada yang orim jo bon ki pli ki man bayi ki man pa ku jo ong man dadap da biang jo em go bo de hali de langka. Coach nada yung day sem. Bon jai ter ki jing yo jengai ki hek yong I handrei. Kini ki bagi pa ko start tam yo jengai ki bo ki to do mut wom yedu mulin warok kam ke district warok go bi wong ipi. Ngaken mo watai por yang adang kien kama umawai lar ki jiskiat. Bon ki drop up student nei ba ele wadunagi ki opportunities. Ublai jo bo wi pertam jo bo kam kwai. Ngaju yu boite karo mano berupa iba em ki kon ku start ku em kli ulai skur tang memlat ke bagi pa ku pelai skur ku jo ji apa kata handai em manusia em ki kon mahajon ku em ke lar pelai skur tang man ki ku tlor ku swil ni man ki pli ku dunai pure buti handai lembag jin cha chu tom ki yong ikam ki bagi pa kar ki kon ki ti sang sorong wong ni imam du mani ko sa den. Keburom ku kerpang i kong sim ku man ke joint director of education. Nado wawan ka ni kam ke education officer po giant hill siong I. Ke giant hill district bawm tipi bukan mo pita always is the best hag result man lagi Snem baik. Ini udah biye chong ya cabinet retreat kita sora ye lam chief minister I. Jo pai igi pass percentage nawarok ki school kam ke pok state. Was giant is one of the best. Dia keli hete tok ki ko besar bina mi berarti ki kong sem sa sorong wa hati por ngalo man kan ngalan nak tanjai tia ki yong I nei bakat kamu man kat ni istat ta em kam bakan mu ye baklapi ni man achievement ta tok ke celebration jadi opening ceremony silver jubilee ngakwa wong khajak dan em student gura man demoralize student stay khajak Ni ba wayu go sam token ni was sam moment tu ye go start kong kitopar na. Handre nga ong ipim du to saw yam brempi. Everyone has got a chance always. Chapang student kajak kwa khana pi kaparom. Kenita ko man topar henne kasi man is just the beginning of your life. is not the ending, please remember. Tanay te daw to, dang start, dang minot, dang yo, dang betong, yo man big future leader ng state kyong pi.
How North Liberty started, I believe you all want to know. It was about 26 or 27 years ago when I was still working as an engineer and a lecturer of an engineering college, and I would come back and forth to Jowai, that many parents from Mookyrdup, Moralong, Lompariat would bring their children to me for coaching. They wanted their children to do well in class 10. And among them were some students who had failed 3 to 4 years in their matric. So you can understand it was a great challenge. I did it without knowing that I'll be doing this for the rest of my life. And among them was a student who had failed 3 years in class 10. And after I had coached him well and guided him how to write his exam and he passed, I told myself, maybe I was a teacher. Maybe I wasn't an engineer. But being a teacher in the year 1999-2000 was not very attractive. Then people only wanted to be doctors and engineers. And starting a school where there are so many big schools in Jowai was out of the question. But I was determined to start a school in Jowai. Seeing that there was no competition among students in Jowai, I was determined to start a school. But before doing so, I was also getting ready to get married. And I knew that lots of girls and women during our days really admired doctors and engineers. So I had a fear. If I became a teacher, will my girlfriend still marry me? So I went straight to her house and asked her, if I become a teacher, will you still marry me? And the answer I got surprised me. My wife told, I will not just marry you, but I will serve with you. Can we give my wife, Larissa Liwait, a big round of applause? So I decided to start a school. In the year 2000, my parents were out of the country. I put the advertisement out that a new school was opening here in Mookyrdup. The school started, and there's a long story on how it started. I will leave that story for the next program. So if you want to hear that, do watch the live streaming that we'll be giving in the next program. That story is left for the next program. However, when the school started, on the very first day, we had 28 students, nursery, KG, and class 1. After 20 minutes, I ran home and called my mother. I was the headmaster then of that school, North Liberty, which was started on the 1st of March, 2000. I ran and told, Mommy, you have to come quickly to the school. She said, why? It's a mess. Everyone is crying. You know nursery and KG children, how they cry? I thought, what the heck? What am I doing? Mom, I can't. Please help me. The very next day, my mother took over as the headmistress. And I worked along with my mother. And I was very privileged that she was there. And in fact, the foundations of our preschool have been set. The standards have been set by my mother. And then I was also privileged to get a scholarship to do my Master's in Educational Technology in Johnson University, which is in Tennessee, United States of America. So I was very happy that I could continue my studies and finish my MEd. And after returning from there, being the topper of the university in my class, I came back to India. I was offered a job after I graduated, but I decided that I'll come to India. And I came to India, and shortly after that, I took over from my mother, and I am here today as a principal of North Liberty. But there is one person I can't forget. I don't know whether he's here or not, but we have invited him. The only person who was by my side who believed that this school would happen. And I'll tell you, there is something about places. There's a person by the name of Temenbasan Ten Timung. He was with me when my parents were not in this country, and he encouraged me to start this school along. And he was the first person to issue forms for North Liberty. And I'll tell you, for 2-3 months we waited, nobody came to take a form. And I started to doubt myself. But it was on one fine day that one person, I'll tell about that person in the next program, came to take the first form. And Temenbasan Ten Timong came running to the house because I had given up. I was sleeping at home. I had given up, and he said, Barijal, I don't know one sim form. It was the first form. And that person who came asked me, the bone ki form dep AP? I didn't have any answer. Uthok le man, kunahok le kamwan. I said, Kamte Hima. That's what I told him. And I gave the first form and the second form to both his children. But the connection of numbers. The student who took the first form, his name was John Min Polong. He's not here today. But the very same student was the first student to get into the top 20 list of North Liberty in the 16th position in the year 2012. Can we give him a big round of applause? He couldn't come here today because he's working in the secretariat and they have a meeting today, so he couldn't come, but he'll be there in the next meeting. Numbers are always a confirming hand for North Liberty. Till date, at the opening ceremony of North Liberty Higher Secondary School, we also have 16 students. Remember, 16th position was the first one we got, and till date today, we also have already got 16 position holders in the top 20 list of MBOS LSSLC exam.